Hello, my name is Farid Maramat, and today I'm gonna explain the statistical evaluation in Smart Palace. Number one is measurement model evaluation. This step focuses on verifying whether the construct and the model are measured reliably and validly. It is divided into three parts. First is outer loadings. Outer loadings represent the correlation between an indicator and its latent construct. High outer loadings indicate that the indicator strongly represents the construct. The threshold ideal is 0.7, acceptable with caution 0.4 until 0.7, retain only if it improves overall model fit. Below is 0.4. Indicator should be removed. The second is construct reliability and validity. This evaluates internal consistency and the degree to which indicators measure the intended construct. It includes number one is composite reliability. Reliability measures the internal consistency of the construct, how well its indicators collectively measure it. The threshold is 0.7. Interpretation higher values indicate better reliability. The second is average variance extracted. Measures convergent validity, how well the construct explains its indicators variance. The threshold is 0.5. Interpretation values above 0.5 mean that more than 15% of the variance is explained by the construct. The third is Cronbach's alpha, traditional measure of internal consistency reliability. The threshold is 0.7. Interpretation provides an additional layer of reliability assessment. And number three is discriminant validity. Explanation assess whether constructs are distinct from one another. A construct should share more variance with its own indicators than with other constructs. The methods is one Werner-Laker criterion. First, the square root of AV for each construct should be exceed the correlation of the construct with others. The second is heterotrait monotrait ratio. Compares the heterogeneity difference between constructs. The threshold is HTMT values 0.85 strict or 0.9 lenient. And the structural model evaluation, these steps evaluates the relationships between constructs and determines whether hypothesized paths are significant. It is divided into two parts. The first is direct effects. Explanation. The explanation is direct effects are the relationship between independent variables and dependent variables without mediation. The K metrics. The first is path coefficients. Measure the strength of the relationship between constructs. The second is significance testing. The the t values are 1.96 and the p values are 0.5, indicate significant relationship. Effect size assess the impact of one variable on another. The small is 0.2, the medium is 0.15, the large is 0.35. And the indirect effects occur when an independent variable influence independent variable through a mediator. The steps is one, calculate the indirect effect path coefficient through the mediator. The second is test for significance using bootstrapping t values and p values. The third is determine the type of mediation using the variance accounted for VAF. The first is partial mediation. The VAF is 20% until 80%. The full median of VAF is 80%. Okay, that's it for the explanation. Thank you for the attention.